Hi friends, for those of you who are wondering what the Boscurry is all about, well, it's basically a gathering of all the scouts and guides from all our salesian institutions all over the country. Once in 4 years, a province decides to host this gathering of scouts and guides. This year, it is the turn of the Salesian province of Mumbai, who has decided to host this event right here in Nashik.
The scouting movement is very much very vital part of the educational system of Don Bosco.
The whole scouting activity is a methodology where peers come together, friends come together, individuals come together, building a society of peace, unity, love, affection and friendship. And we know this is what exactly education brings out. This is what the society really needs.
This year marks the 111th anniversary of the World Scout movement, and there are scouting movement actively in 216 countries, and over 31 million scouts and guides involved in this movement.
In our system of education, we ask the young people to be themselves. We would like them to be to develop as true citizens, honest citizens, and good persons. And this scouting movement gives a very fine opportunity for the young people to reach out to others, to discipline themselves, to learn new way of adapting themselves, and above all, to preserve the earth, to preserve one's state of life, especially the health, and also to lead a very holy life.
One of the reasons why we chose Nashik is because Nashik has been always considered a holy place, and it's a place where many people come to worship. Our theme is health, harmony and holiness, and since holiness is one of its points, we said I think Nashik would be a good place to instill this in the young.
We have basically 4 venues, that is Divyadan, Kilbil School, Don Bosco School on the other side, and STI.
As you come here to this Boscurry, the 13th National Boscoree, you must know first of all that it's a lot of hard work that has gone into it. 18 months of hard work. And besides those 18 months of hard work, there have been a lot of little details that have been looked into.
There were so many things happening: food, travel, accommodation, venue, communications, finance, and of course our own program committee. Putting all these things together was no easy task.
When we decided to host this event of Boscurry 2018-19, the finances would have been a big challenge for us. So we are looking at 3 sources: registration, sponsors, and also contribution from the houses and also from the province.
We have worked together with the Salesians for last 18 months. 35 young FMAs from the Mumbai province have been working together with absolute dedication, commitment and joy.
We had factored for number of logistical arrangements, but we were not really prepared for adventure. Adventures like people missing their bags, adventure like people sleeping in the train and going to some other places, adventures like people pulling the chain because they were not able to unboard the train. My scouting and my Boscurry began already at the railway station. We have an entire dedicated team to provide for all the transport. It has been a Herculean task to transport such a huge number of troops from the railway station, from the bus station, also from Kalyan and from Mumbai for the Boscurry campsite.
Our theme is health, harmony and holiness. These are the three aspects that will help us in our living out tomorrow.
As for Scouts and Guides, we always have outdoor activities, so health is important for us. We need to have the strength to go out, to exercise and stay under the sun. We do not live alone. Okay, we need friends, and we need a great network of friends to help us. Especially in scouting, we always have a lot of volunteers working for us and working with us. So it is always necessary for us to stay harmonized with other people. Holiness, this is what Don Bosco taught us, that we can run, we can jump and make a lot of noises, but do not sin.
My little message for this scouts and guides at this 13th Boscoree, that they become the agents and messengers in their own surroundings, the messengers of healthy living, building harmony and making holiness their goal.
This 13th Boscoree, we have prepared 20 adventure bases. If they complete 15 out of the 20, they'll be getting a adventure award. The basic idea is to remove the fear from the scouts' mind.
Basically, when we do those kind of events for adults, so this rope works, all these factors, it's on a height, basically around 60 feet, 70 feet height. But these are the base what we have put for the children because of the safety measure.
By this, we try to learn many new skills. Our accuracy level and all is really good, and we are building new skills by coming in this adventurous games.
We've played 4 games till now, and it's really adventurous over here, and we feel nervous at first, but then it's all nice and like we overcome our fear.
They enjoyed these games very much, and I'm sure that they are going to be more communicative and more confident to carry out this in their own life.
The Peace March is we at the Boscurry making a statement to Nashik that we are for peace, we are for harmony, we are for holiness, and we are for health.
The length and breadth of this country, I have gone to so many different cities, so many different villages, so many cultures. But it is not very often that I go to one place and see the entire country together. It is so beautiful.
the number is almost 4,700 people that we are catering to.
तो स्टाफ आहे हा 31st लग्न सरे असल्यामुळे जो आमचा जो स्टाफ होता तो आम्हाला मिळाला नाही. मग आम्हाला धुळे जळगाव इथून स्टाफ मागवावा लागला.
The amount of staff who are in the kitchen, including the cooks, the washing persons, the ladies to cut, the stewards, we have around 200 plus people in that kitchen department. And the menu for this Boscurry, since it is in Maharashtra, right from breakfast, lunch, tea, dinner, is more of the culture that we have here.
I place before you just 3 goals. These are the 3 flagship programs of our Salesian India. Young people for building our nation, according to our constitution. The second important goal that I place before you is the protection of nature. And the third goal that I place before you, and with that I close, is gender equality.
I can say with a sense of gratitude that we have definitely achieved the objectives that we had set before us. The first objective was that all the scouts and guides who come here have a truly Salesian experience. Obviously, the second objective was to give them a true scouting experience, an experience of living in a camp, an experience of going through all the scouting activities. And I think that has been done to a very good level of excellence. And the third objective that we had before us was to fulfill the theme of the Boscurry: health, harmony and holiness. And the entire program was so planned that every participant learns, understands and takes back thoughts, ideas, commitments on how to be a healthy person, a harmonious person and a holy person.
Oh, it's so huge. I think we didn't expect that there are so many youngsters and all. It's a big thing to organize.
I would like to congratulate the province of Mumbai, particularly the organizing committee, because from the reports that I have listened and heard from my confreres as well as scouts and guides, they tell me that it was an excellent experience that you have provided to them.
Best part about Boscurry, like as I said you, that having a good relationship.
What I expect from this Boscurry is to make a change in my life.
Just bringing the whole of India in one place, all the Don Bosco scouts, and somehow just organizing this thing itself is a big thing.
It was not only a challenge, but a great opportunity which we grabbed, and I'm sure we made the best use of it, and we have given our youngsters the best that always the Mumbai province was ready to offer.
Thanks be to God for this kind of an event. We feel happy that whatever money that we have put in is for the growth of scouts and guides in India.
This Boscurry has been a wonderful event because We have planned this as a Salesian family.
And this has been truly a mega Boscurry with wonderful organization and meticulous planning.
For me, is a very, very lifelong experience and one-time experience. I take back this experience of living together, working together in harmony.
And this is what I want to ask the Scouts and Guides to take this message to themselves, to their families, to the provinces. That is, to be holy is to be happy.
All that you have lived and witnessed during these 5 days of the Boscurry, tremendous learnings, great interactions, activities, sessions, and everything you lived and witnessed should help you to form your character and build your future.
It is very, very urgent and demanding that we promote scouting in all our institutes in every form that is available. Institutional scouting, open scouting, and even adult scouting. And I wish India grows happily, harmoniously through scouting.